Welcome, everybody. This is the beginning of the week fundamental and technical analysis by none other than your guy Pips. Um, Let me go ahead and give a disclaimer. This is not financial advice. Anything that I share during this call is for educational purposes only. This is not financial advice whatsoever. All right, cool beans. Now that I've gotten that out the way, let's jump into it. So, this is the beginning of the week technical analysis, guys. Corman will be dropping the fundamental analysis in my Telegram group. For more information on my Telegram group, visit my website at precisionpipsllc.com and go to the silver package. So with that being said, tonight technical analysis, we're just going to be looking back at the pre-week analysis that I sent out to you guys yesterday in the Discord, Telegram, and from the YouTube channel. So looking back at that pre-week analysis, I told you guys that I was bearish. My bias was bearish for Dixie to start the week out with, right? I wanted to see us pull down to at least consequent encroachment of this daily wick, right? And if we broke below that aggressively, and close below it, that I wanted to see us pull back down and run Friday's sell side liquidity, this daily sell side liquidity right here. So you can go back uh the pre-week analysis for what I said exactly, but if it wasn't word for word, it was something close. So just go back and watch the tape. But I told you guys that I wanted to see right either institutional order flow entry drill here, right? And I wanted to see price run away from it for me to have confirmation that the dollar was getting ready to run its yearly high, right? I told you guys um if we ranked this low, broke below it aggressively and closed below it, that I would anticipate the dollar pulling on back down into the weekly PD arrays, right? First at 62% level, and then secondly, that 79% level, right? So I want to break it down to a lower time frame to show you guys exactly what I see in the dollar, right? So we're going to take it down to an hour time frame, right? And so I want you guys to pay attention to how we opened up Sunday, Sunday evening, right? 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and how we came down and retested that consequent encroachment of that daily wick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, right? We pushed back up only to balance out this price range here, right? Pushed up 2 times there, right? And then we slammed down through that consequent encroachment, right? Of that daily wick. Slammed down through it. Look at how clean we respected that consequent encroachment of that daily wick once we broke through it aggressively like that. Right? Look how clean that respect is, right? Take us down to the 15 minutes. Look how clean that respect is. Take us down to the 5 minute. Look how clean it is. Take us down to the 3 minute. Look how clean that respect is, right? Take us down to the 1 minute. Look how clean that respect is. Look how clean it is, right? So just going back to the 5 minute, right? Look how many times we ran that daily sell side liquidity. Or look how many times we broke below it to the downside, should I say. 1, 2, and 3 closing. Well, when we open back up after for Asian markets, right? So look, we broke through this 3 times already, and we couldn't get back above that consequent encroachment of that daily wick not once, and we had a super clean respect of that level, right? So being with everything that I just pointed out right there, right? That leans me towards a continuation to the downside for Dixie, right? And I am anticipating price to pull back down to the weekly PD array because of the narrative that I just outlined in that review that I just did of the 3 minute, in the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute time frame. So yes, that's exactly what I'm expecting to see out of Dixie. Going um going through going through tonight and going into London in the morning, right? So just to keep it simple, I'm expecting price to pull back down to the weekly PD array, 62% first, 79% second. So yeah, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. However, if we do break back above that consequent encroachment um, throughout the rest of Asian markets tonight and going into London, then depending on how aggressively we break above it and whether we break run Friday's buy side liquidity, then my buyers would simply shift back to the upside to run the yearly high. So you got to be nimble in these markets. So with that being said, I'll take you back to the daily time frame. We'll go back and look at Euro USD, right? Looking back over the pre-week analysis from yesterday, right? Of course, we know that our currency pairs, Euro USD, GBP USD, NZD USD, they are inversely correlated with the dollar, right? So we know that that means they move in the opposite direction of the dollar. So if my bias was bearish, the dollar opening up, right, for the week, then of course my bias was bullish for currencies opening up. So um, that's exactly what I anticipated out of Euro USD this week was us to open up bullish, reaching up to pull back up into those daily PD array levels that we see here. So we did a nice reach for that today. Um, Reached up for a little over 40 pips, reaching up for that daily PD array. And being that I'm anticipating the dollar to continue bearish, I am expecting Euro USD to continue bullish to run those weekly PD array levels. That 62% being first, of course. So yeah, we want to take a quick look at um, GBP USD is lagging, so I expect it to give us a big move to the upside today. And NZD USD, as you can see, it's already ran its lower daily PD array level, and now it's attempting to reach up into that upper daily PDOA level. So yeah, things are shaping up to look pretty good starting out this week. Pre-week analysis is on side, so to say, to open up for the week. So, that's a beautiful thing. Looking at futures, starting out with E-mini S&P 500. I told you guys that I wanted to see I anticipated price opening up bullish to first retest this daily volume imbalance, right? And according to how we reacted to that level, was going to determine whether I wanted to see price continue to push up or continue to the downside. So we can see that we did reach up and run that daily volume imbalance. Take you down to the hour time frame. We see that right here. That's that daily volume imbalance, right? Um, we respected that and pulled back down into New York's opening bell candle, which was this candle right here, right? We pulled back down into there to around 2 o'clock for that PM silver bullet, right? That the mentor Michael Huddleston teaches. So we got that. And we had a beautiful AM silver bullet too. Um, Posted it up. I will post my entries in the Discord in the Telegram group later for you guys. But pulled back up into this city, right? Sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency as coined by the mentor. So I'm expecting us to continue to the upside. Um, I want to see us reach back up and retest the weekly and daily PD arrays from last week. And that's why this looks so, as I think I said this on a pre-week analysis call last night, that's why this looks so jumbled together right here, because it is, because the weekly and the daily levels are exactly the same for these levels. So in this sell side liquidity level too. So these are some very um, powerful levels, so to say. We should see big reactions to those levels. So I'm interested to see if we pull back now and retest this level one more time and snap back off of that level with um aggressive price action to the upside, right? Sending it up to run those premium PD array levels, right? So that's what I'm gonna be paying attention to. If you're wondering what these levels is, right there, those are the levels that I was trading off of this morning for silver bullet, right? And this is that fair value got that price just pulled back up into, right? So, and of course, this is that daily volume imbalance. So, that silver bullet play this morning was off of that 1009 candle. Price came back down into that BC, that value gap right here. And we ran straight up into that daily volume imbalance. And then you can see that 2022 model, we run that daily volume imbalance right here to the tick at 45.12, 50. Yeah, I'm sorry, 45.12, 75, that high of this candle, right? And then we push up higher, create that higher high or that turtle soup, so to say, right? Comes back down, run that short-term sell side liquidity, creating that fair value gap in the midst of doing that, running that sell side liquid, that short-term sell side liquidity, price comes back up into that fair value gap. Have to go down to the 1 minute or maybe even the 30 second to see that fair value gap, but it's there. And see, might as well see what it go down to. Right here, fair value gap. Um, fair value gap here. Price slams back up into both of them. There, again here, and again here. And runs right back down to that AM silver bullet fair value gap, right? And run those fairly equal lows right here. Run that right there. And that's a day, ladies and gentlemen. That is a day. So let's go back to the hour time frame. So yeah, going forward, going into tomorrow, let's say, not for the entire rest of the week, but going forward tomorrow, um, I do want to see us break back above this daily fair value gap and push up off further up into these premium levels. So that's what I'm expecting out of ES. Looking at NQ, same thing. I want to see us push up to those premium PD array levels. That's exactly what I want to see, guys. So, oh yeah, I know I haven't looked at all a lot, but for my Telegram group, they know that this is what we've been waiting on for a while, breaking above this $84 level here. Basically this fair value gap, right? We've been waiting for that for forever. Soon as we got that aggressive break above there, I've been telling my Telegram subscribers for a while now that that was where I would be buying. That would be my buy signal. So yeah, I've been in from from this price here, right? Went into a little bit of drop here, yeah, but um after the fifth, it's been all up from there, guys. So um my first target is $100, right? Then once we find support at $100, I am shooting for 123, 123, and then $129. So those are my three TPs: 100, 100. I'll take that bet. I'm sorry. 113, 123, and 129 would be that last TP for me. So yeah, that's the oil play that me and my Telegram subscribers been on for a minute. So other than that, that will conclude the beginning of the week. technical analysis. I hope these analyses add value to you guys' lives and into your trading journey somehow, whatever kind of value I can be to another person or to you guys, it adds more value to me. So um just let me know in the comments if there's anything you guys would suggest I do to make the class better. Um, just let me know, drop it in the comments. And I'm always open to constructive criticism. So yeah, don't be afraid to let me know how you feel and please suggest anything I can do to improve the channel. So with that being said, I appreciate you guys tuning in tonight, coming out, getting this knowledge and empowering yourself. Let your family and friends know you love them while they still here. Please. And as always, peace and love, everybody. You know.